So I was telling you about caring for neighbors. Now you might think that why should we bother about our neighbors? When we are living in a neighborhood, you see in our house, how we keep our house neat and clean, no? We don't keep it dirty, that things lying here, there, thrown around, garbage thrown inside the room, and flies and mosquitoes breeding on them. Such things we don't do, isn't it? Many people, what they do, they keep their house neat and clean inside. And they will take all the garbage of theirs and throw it just in front of the neighbor's house or on the road in front of their house. From top, if they're living up, from there they will throw the garbage. Now, if every house, every person living in the neighborhood thinks like that why should we bother about others, and they throw the garbage on the street, what will happen? Heaps of garbage will be lying on the street, and it will be stinking, smelling, and lots of unhealthy environment will be there. Lots of flies and mosquitoes will breed on them, and many people will fall sick. But nobody bothers about others in the neighborhood. So what is our duty? To keep our house also clean, and the surroundings where we are living, that also we should think about and keep it clean. A clean neighborhood will not have garbage heaps, flies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and unpleasant and dirty smell. We will not have if we keep our neighborhood clean. Another duty of neighbor is what? Big responsibility every neighbor has. That we have to take care about our neighbors. If supposing we are having a party in our house and the neighbor does not know that we are going to have a party which is going to create a lot of noise, we should inform our neighbors that in our house we are going to have a party today. Many people will come and there will be a lot of noise, high volume of music and all, so they can be careful about it, and from prior you are informing them. So that's why that's our duty. Why? Because we are neighbors. We don't want unwanted fights and all. But we want peace wherever we are living. Another thing is that the volume of our radio, television also we should think about it. And if anybody is sick in their house and we are just enjoying, or some sort of thing has taken place, some serious thing has taken place in the house and we are enjoying, we should try to find out what's happened in their house. Alright? So this sort of concern we should have. We are going to have a party in our house and something, some tragedy has taken place in the house. Should we continue the party? Big question mark. I think so. We should avoid. The child may say, no mama, my birthday, no daddy, my birthday it is, I want my birthday party. My friends are going to come. But if someone has died in their house, or someone has in their house some great tragedy has taken place, what can we do? We can't avoid the situation, so we have to think about it. And always we should not use noisy equipments at night, like washing machine, mixie, grinder that we grind, no? Night time after 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, we should not use. Keep the volume of radio and television little low, and as I told you in advance, tell the neighbors that you are going to have a party in your house. Same way we can organize a carpool with our neighbors. Supposing your dad is going to office and his office is on the way, and your neighbor's office is also in the same way. We can say that, come on, one day you take me, one day I take you. So this is, we can have this thing sort of meeting and think over it. And this way what we will reduce pollution also and traffic on the road also. And plus our money also. What we are going to spend on petrol, that we are going to save, isn't it? Because everyone taking out their own vehicle, there will be lots of pollution on the road and traffic will increase, and plus your money is going on your car petrol and their money is going on their petrol. One day you are saving. So 30 days, if there are 30 days, 15 days petrol you are saving. Follow? Think over it. This way we can live peacefully with our neighbors, share things, the parking space what we have. So many times I come to know that there is a lot of fight because of keeping the car in the parking space. Follow? These things we can avoid. If there is place, give your neighbor also a little bit space. Follow? If we say, no, this is only my space, I will only keep my car, so that's wrong. You should not do it. Share the parking space with others and always be ready to help the neighbors whenever there is any type of emergency. Be ready to help them and to be with them in their sorrows and whatever sadness they have in their house. At that time, always be ready to help them, because you also one day might be in that situation. They will help you. You see, like how we live in colonies, same way many animals also, they are also living like ants and bees. Have you heard about ants? If you go through your book, you will see that the ants and bees are also living in colonies. Just I will show you the screen. You can see in the book. Like human beings, ants and bees also live in colonies. They work collectively as a social unit. They divide their work between female and male workers and the queen. You see, they are also living in colony. The bees, they in the hive. You see, inside the hive, if you come to know about how they live, you will learn something from them, and you will find that they are much better than human beings. Follow? So I hope you have understood the lesson, children, and from this lesson what you have learned, that we have to be with one another during the times of emergency. And you see, now these are the questions which I am showing you, which you will do in your rough notebook, and question answers, if you have got fair notebook, you can do in the fair notebook. So this is tick the correct option, which you will do, and do it properly in your rough notebook neatly. Read the questions properly and answer them to the point only. Whatever, if one answer is required, only one answer you give. And don't ask me so many questions in the group. You can clarify any doubts which you have when school opens. Don't be worried that, oh, what madam will say if I do this or that, do that. You see, we all know that in which situation we all are, and if we don't understand one another, then it's baseless what we are teaching you to cooperate with one another. If we won't cooperate with you, then it's of no use teaching you these things. So don't be worried and afraid of anything that school will not cooperate with us. We are cooperating. We are trying much ways we are finding in order to make your lessons easy for you and understandable. So children, you must you also have to cooperate with the teachers. Every time if you speak in the group, then what happens that all the time we are busy making these videos for you, and then we have to reply to you all. So many times we are disturbed. So try and understand our situation also. Don't think that why madam has stopped us from speaking in the group and sending messages in the group, sending homework in the group. It is difficult for us to check your notebooks over there. I have seen few of y'all's notebooks and you are making slightly mistakes. You are copying the question only wrong. So avoid all those things. Read out what you have written. Read it out many times so that you don't make mistakes. You see, this is answer briefly. You don't have to make very long answers. Just not one or two words, but at least a sentence or two sentences for these questions you will do. Then, and this is long answer little bit. Answer the following questions. You must have little bit longer answers than the brief answers. And then complete this table as I told you what type of landforms, hilly, plains, coastal islands, earthquake prone areas, what type of roof materials, roofs, and then materials what are used, and in which state you find these types of houses, this type of roof houses, in which state you will find. So if you do this, it will be good. You will be able to understand that yes, in which area what type of houses are constructed. So this is the map skill. On a political map, I am sure you all are not having, if many of must be having also. So you do the political map. On a political map of India, locate, label and color the following. 2 states where houseboats are used. 1 group of island of Indian Union. In our country where we are having islands, one you only have to mention, not both the islands. State where Bhimbetka caves are located. So in which state Bhimbetka caves are located, I showed you also in the map. And 1 hilly state. 1 state situated along the Arabian Sea, just near the Arabian Sea. 1 state name you have to mark and show. So always I have taught you how to do the map. I am sure by now you have learnt up how to do. And so I am closing now for this moment, and this lesson is complete. I hope you go through the lesson properly. If you have the books, you read the books and you tally the whatever I have explained to you, you see, and if you find any doubts or something, you can call me and I will give you the reply over there. Don't write anything in the group. I am always ready to help you out. So I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, you have understood the lesson, and till 1 week I will not give any new lesson. So keep enjoying doing your work and be very safe. Keep safe. Wash your hands many times whenever you come. Don't go out, but whenever you go till the door also, you touch the door, you must wash your hands always, and maintain distance from others. Don't go close to people. And this is how we can defeat this COVID-19 coronavirus, if we are maintaining social distancing always. This is being told to us and we should obey the rules, whatever we have to follow. So I'm sure you will do it very sincerely, and your work also. So bye for now. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life and also enjoy your studies, and be good to your parents. Bye.